Let's go.
Dani, wag mong hawakin mo. Abot mo yan. Sige.
I wish I can swim with them.
Oh, you sing. Ah. Amang laking daga, oh.
It's like hairy. He's definitely hungry.
Oh. Pwede daw hawakan yan, oh.
Sorry. Hi.
Wala. Oh, feed mo siya ng ano, corn. Feed mo ng corn, baby, corn. Corn.
What's called? Say put it to flow for him.
Yan, sige. Feed mo siya. Yes. Ang laki mong daga, ah.
Is he a boy or girl?
Baba. Hindi ko alam, eh.
Sit as the owner.
Ang laking daga, oh. Tapos yung paa niya, para siyang parang bee.
You got everything out.
Dani, wag ganyan. Huwag ka dito magkalat eh.
Sorry.
Ayaw mo na, huwag mo nang pulutan. Baka ikaw ang, akala nila ikaw ang food.